Who did that? I did that. I did. I sure as hell did. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to another video by your girl. And if you're just passing by, hopefully you like what you see, and if you like what you see, you subscribe. So as you can see, today it's my very first mukbang, and I got some chicken licken. So I'm gonna show you what I got, and then we're gonna get into the cracks of things. I have my glass of some white wine. So what I got is, I think it's 16 or 14 wings and some chips, and then some sliders, 4 sliders, and I was craving some acha, so I'm gonna have some of this. Wait, hold on, let me get a fork. Q&A, and I do apologize for the dogs barking at the back. I can't do much about that. So I'll be doing an updated Q&A. The last time I did a Q&A was the Get to Know Me tag. So ever since then I've gotten new subscribers, and yeah, let's get into the cracks of things. But firstly, I'm gonna dive in. That's good. I haven't had some acha in a while. It's good. Definitely. So I'm gonna answer your questions, and then yeah. But without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Y'all know the vibes. It's a 6-time station. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spice up my things, and then we're gonna get right into it. They didn't even give me, what's this? Some ketchup for my chips. How rude. Anyway, I don't like the pickles in this, or whatever this is. So, first question is, oh, by the way, I put up a poster on Instagram saying that I'm filming an updated Q&A. So send your questions. So you guys did the most. So I'm gonna answer the first question. The first question is, what are you studying? I'm not studying. I was studying last year when I started my channel, but now I'm done with school. Yeah, that's that on that about that. Next question is, what keeps you motivated? Life. But on a serious note, my family, life, partner, friends, everything around me, hence I say life, is the one thing that keeps me motivated, you know. Next question is, who is your best friend? I don't use the term best friend anymore. Ever since my friendships in high school with people that were my best friends didn't work out, I stopped using the term best friend. So I just have family, brothers and sisters, because the close friends that I have are literally my family. And I have about like 5 friends, bro. Literally, I have 5 friends. Ooh. I have like literally 5 friends. So, and also the other one doesn't know more than the other one does. You get me? Let's have a first bite of this. Next question is, are you in a relationship? You should have been much more specific. Because platonic relationships are relationships, right? And also, yeah, platonic, romantic, you know, work relationships, you should have been much more specific. So I don't know how to answer your question because you were not being specific. Next question is, how is it going with your love life? That's a good question. It's honestly, it's the ghetto, but it's good nonetheless. Like, if you know, you know, it's good. I don't really like discussing my relationships because you never know what might happen. Today I might be with the person, tomorrow I break up with the person, then the next week. So, you know, Next question is, do you have children? No, I don't. I don't have children. Do I wish to have children one day? Absolutely not. No thanks. Next question is, how do you handle your anger? I was gonna say I count to 1 to 5, but that's a lie. That's a damn lie. What I do to handle my anger is I just distance myself from the situation. I just move far away from the situation, far as possible, because the situation is gonna literally make things worse. Because I used to have the worst anger issues. My temper, I still have a short temper, but my anger issues are much better now, much more controlled, because at any point there would be a fight and I'll get physical, or I'll break something, or I'd punch the wall, which I still do when Liverpool loses or whatever, but that's a story for another day. Other than that, no. But how do I handle it? I talk about it, I communicate more. I'm such a big communicator. So I speak about my feelings. If I'm feeling angry, I speak on it. I'm like, yo bro or girl, you hurt me in such a way, and I'm not happy about it. Do you hurt me? Can we talk about this? I'm angry. Can you give me like time to cool off, and then we'll get into it again. When I mean get into it, I mean we'll talk about it when I'm calmer, because I don't want to say things that I'll regret, or you will also say things that you are going to regret. Next one is, what is your star sign? But I'm in Aries. Officially, I'm in Aries. I was born on the 23rd of March, which makes me an Aries. Gang, gang, gang. Mr. Pisces season. Literally right a bit. But anyway, next one is, what have you learned about yourself this year? We are only 5 months into the year. I've learned that I am very patient, I'm very understanding, I'm very honest, and I shouldn't make people take me for a piece. Also, I shouldn't help people and all of that. So a relationship is not one-sided, it's both sides. So if you're giving 100%, I'm giving 100%. There's no 50-50, because you have to give 100, then the other person gives 100. Next one is, what tribe are you? Dipsogwang. Hence my name. But technically, no, I'm Dipsogwang. That's that on that. Next one is, how many boyfriends have you had this year? This year, but overall I've only been in 3 serious relationships per. Next question is, have you ever had a toxic relationship? I've had a toxic platonic relationship and a romantic relationship. Yeah. Next one is, would you date a girl? I have. But it's not part of the serious relationships. It was just like me finding out what am I attracted physically or emotionally. What is my vibe? Am I bi? Am I les? Am I straight? Lesbian, les. Next one is Next one is, what is your current bank balance? Current bank balance is 000. No cap. It's 0.
Oh, Sanya.
Next question is, are you going out on dates? No, not at the moment. Next question is, what are you passionate about? Content creation, YouTube, fashion. Hence I was in the fashion industry. Yeah. That's what I feel like I'm most passionate about. Next one is, do you work out? Not anymore. I don't work out anymore because life is hard, life is difficult. What is your skincare routine? I'll be dropping a video soon regarding my skincare routine, so watch out for that. But basically my skincare routine consists out of maybe 2 or 3 steps. It's not that deep because I have perfect skin now because I take care of mine. What you consume is what obviously it's going to reflect on your body, it's going to reflect on your skin. So what I'm eating now is definitely going to reflect on my skin, on my body. Next one is, what is your daily routine? My daily routine is, I wake up, I pray. After praying, I make my bed, I brush my teeth, and then I make food, and then I go through my emails, go through my YouTube analytics and all of that. So that's what I basically do. And then I'll go to work. Those are Saturday routines. On a day that I go to work is, I wake up, I pray, brush my teeth, shower, then start get ready, then eat and go. I always make sure I eat because sometimes I don't eat at lunch. Yeah. Next one is, how did you meet your partner? Don't have one. How do you keep your life private? I am very wary of what I share online, who I share it with, only because I've mentioned this before. I have gotten stalked before. Like, I have gotten stalked, and I also felt like it was a part of social media, what I was showing and all of that. I could be wrong, but you just never know. So that's why I was getting stalked. So I think it's because of that. So now, what's the question again? Oh, keeping your life private. So now I choose what to share, who to share with, and so forth and so on. Like, as I said, I would never show my family on my channel, and I'm still like contemplating if I want to collab with my sister because she has a YouTube channel now. I'm just not sure. But since she's in the limelight, probably. But my parents, hell no. My parents, not because of the fact that I want them to live their life privately. They didn't sign up for this, I did. So why are they suffering for the things that I'm doing or my decisions? Next question is, what's your age preference in a partner? So currently I am the year 2022. So my preference in the age difference would be from 25 to 32. And then next year it's from 26, like that, guys. Kanjal. That's how I just operate. Next one is, if there is one thing you could change about your life, what would it be? Nothing. I had the best childhood growing up. I had the best parents in the world. Nothing. Oh, one thing I would change is probably the university I went to, rather the college I went to. That college fucked up my mental health so much that I couldn't recognize myself. There was a point where there was a point where I became an alcoholic because of that institute. No, that's the one thing I'll change. I wouldn't recommend anyone to go there, and as much as it's the best in the country, I wouldn't recommend. Do you see yourself, next question, do you see yourself doing YouTube full time? Yes, I do. That's the point. Not even monetary wise, but as a job. Yes, obviously your job is gonna pay you, but passion comes first in my regard. With the economy, passion can't come first, eh? Passion can't come first. Next one is, would you live in a different country and why? Honestly, I want to stay in the African continent, but not sure about South Africa, but other African countries I would want to literally stay in an African country, not South Africa though. A country that is high in economy, the unemployment rate is not as much, the GDP is not as much. Such a country, I don't know which country is that. Might just go home to Uganda, never know. Next one is, do you have a great relationship with your mother? And if yes, what's the secret? Growing up, I didn't have the best relationship with my mother at all, in terms of, I was a rebellious kid. So I was trying to be alpha in the house, but in whose house? Literally, in whose house? So growing up, it wasn't the greatest, but also growing up, she didn't stay with us. So yeah, that's the story. But then as time grew, I only got close with my mother in 2011. Ever since then, we've been inseparable. Literally, I'm her best friend, she's my best friend. Literally, when I get good news, she's the first person I call. When I get bad news, something pops on the TL, she's the first person I'm gonna call. Because that's my homie. And I can't live without my homie. Next one is, what do you think your purpose in life is? To touch someone, to be someone's role model, to live my life to the fullest, to be what I came to be. Yeah. Next question is, what do you do for a living? Miss that I work. I'm a digital marketing consultant. And I'm a digital content creator. Next one is, what was your favorite subject in high school? My favorite subject is business studies, hence why I'm into marketing. Yeah. Next one is, how do you get ready for a Z appointment? I don't. Just rock up there. Honestly, just rock up there. Next one is, what did you meet your partner? Don't have. How do you deal with hate? I haven't gotten hate on social media, so I wouldn't know. But if I get it, I have a thick skull, like thick skin, so I wouldn't mind dealing with that. It's not meant for everyone, excuse me. It's not meant for everyone. But lucky enough, I haven't received hate yet, and I hope not to receive it. But at the back of my mind, it's like, you're gonna receive it. You're a content creator. You're bound to receive it. I'm so glad I haven't received anything on TikTok yet. TikTok is brutal. Y'all are bullying people. The comments that you see there. Kanjani, bro. No, you don't say that to another human being. What the fuck is wrong with you? Anyway, next one is high school or varsity. That's the question. Varsity because of the freedom. Yeah. That's it. Next one is, would you date a gangster? I would, for the thrill of things. I like adventure, I like thrilling stuff, so I definitely would. Next one is, what is your ideal partner? A better version of myself, or a boy version of myself. Somebody who's just as honest, who's just as open, who knows how to communicate, who knows how to respect others, who knows how to be kind, who loves love, who is patient, tall, of course, dark, skinny, handsome. Can't say you're just dating their heart and their personality. Looks are important. Your kids need to be beautiful. I'm a beautiful babe. Obviously, my kids need to be beautiful. Next one is, what is the perfect job or the perfect relationship? The perfect job, yeah. But in this case, since I have a passion, I'm in my perfect job element, the perfect relationship, but there is no such thing as a perfect relationship. Next one is, would you like to be an influencer? No, I'd like to stay as a digital content creator. Influencer. But I feel like once you start your YouTube channel, you start your YouTube journey, you automatically become an influencer because of the products you're reviewing, the things that you are reviewing. So it's by force, it's not by choice, Next one is, any advice you would give for girls in their 20s? Don't rush through life. Don't live in the moment. Be happy. Protect your mental health. Or protect your mental health. That one is very vital. protect your mental health. Next one is, when did you have your first kiss? I was 14. Question is, what type of content do you love doing on your channel? I love the drinking games, in as much as I've only done one, and I love excuse them. I love also the new segment I started, well, the 2 new segments I've started on my channel, which are, what's this? Dining with DOG. Oh, perfect concept, perfect. So I just love that. And then what else do I like? The relationship 101. You get to experience me on a whole different new level in terms of relationship wise. What I would ideally like, the questions that you guys also provide or give me, you know. Next question is, would you ask for girlfriend allowance? No, can make my own damn money. Okay, somebody else asked me what am I studying. I don't study. Next one is, what do you want that money cannot buy? Yo, money can buy happiness. I was about to say happiness, but money can buy happiness. Rather be crying in a Lamborghini than in a Toyota Cressida, you know. Next one is, flowers or chocolate? Flowers, hence my name. I don't like chocolate. Next one is, are you venturing into mukbangs? If this video does well, probably. If it doesn't do well, then it's not my cup of tea, hey? It's not my cup of tea. And then the next question is, what do you eat in a day? It depends. For breakfast I have cereal, and then for lunch I'd have a sandwich. For dinner I would cook something. It just depends on the mood, honestly. But if I had a choice, I really wouldn't be eating. Don't like cooking. Next question is, what are you currently watching? I am watching Formula 1. It's about car racing and whatever. A friend of mine suggested I watch that, and low-key enjoying it, high-key not. Just makes me want to fall asleep when watching it. So I prefer to watch it with someone else. Next one is, have you had acne before? The worst. I think I was in grade 9, and then my friend was trying this other product. It makes your skin light. So I decided to try it. It didn't make my skin light. It gave me a small rash. Went to the doctor the next day. Gave me Actin, high dosage to low dosage. 2 weeks I was clean. From there on I was clean. That's why I'm very protective of what I eat, what I drink, because fat goes to my skin and I get pimples. Sugar, I already hate sugar. I can't stand sugar now. But I don't even have a sweet tooth. So those are like the things that actually make me get acne. So I haven't had acne ever since then, but I do get pimples now and then, and it makes me self-conscious of what if the acne could come back, what if, you know. Next one is, what type of music do you listen to? Trap soul, hip-hop, R&B. Which R&B? Jacquees, R&B. Yeah, old school. Not old school, but modern type of. The old school, I guess what's going on there. It's not for me. It's for the 90s kids. Next one is, do you wear eyelashes? I don't, because the first time I wore eyelashes, my eyes got swollen. The second time, my eyes were like glued shut. So I have come to the conclusion that eyelashes are the problem, or the eyelash glue. So we've tried multiple, same situation. So no thanks. Next one is, what are you going to call your subscribers? And yes, you know what I wanted to call you guys? I wanted to call you guys OGs. But thing is, Deandra had already captured that name. But thing is, OG comes from my surname. So, can I still use it? Do I have any leverage on that? That's what I wanted to call you guys. The OG squad. The OGs. OG gang gang. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Done. Next one is, how many glasses of wine do you have in a day? Miss got the whole bottle every day. Hey, life is difficult. Next one is, what's the worst gift you've ever received from a partner? All of the gifts are top tier. Never received any cap gift. What is your go-to beverage? Okay. In the category beer, it's Licken Corona, and now I'm starting to love Flying Fish, the pressed lemon. In the cider category, nothing. In the wine category, Sauvignon Blanc, anything Sauvignon Blanc. Yeah, I specifically like dry white wine. And then in the spirit, gin, vodka. In your whiskey category, First Watch. In your brand category, Clip Drift. In your spirit cooler, Belagravia. In what else? What other category is there? That's it. Yeah, that's it. But my favorite alcohol in general, it's the Porcupine Ridge or Rage, Sauvignon Blanc, the Bonangian G, both of them, but I prefer the Blanc, Nectar Blanc, because it gets me, I feel like it gets me more drunk than the other one. Thirdly would be, yeah, I'm slowly drifting away towards alcohol for some reason. Weird. Next question is, when was the last time you went to church? 2 years ago, 2020. The weekend before my birthday. Last question is, what is the one thing you cannot live without when leaving the house? My phone, the basics, literally. So, guys, I am literally almost done with my food. I'm left with one slider, chips, and some wings. And this brings us to the end of my mukbang. Guys, we hit 1K. I will do a proper celebration video or a sit down telling about my journey of getting to 1K, because I did do a 1 year on YouTube. If you haven't checked that out, please do go check it out. Sorry, excuse me. Other than that, I'm going to do a video on the road from that video to where I am right now, and I'm forever grateful, hey, that we hit 1K. Who did that? I did that. Who did that? I did that. I did. I sure as hell did. So guys, I will see you in my next video. Hopefully you guys do like mukbangs. If I do like this mukbang, I'm definitely going to be venturing more into ASMR, meaning the sounds will be enhanced. I will literally go out of my way just to make it better. So I will see you guys in my next video. Please do like, share, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. When you can't see me, I'm a Zula, 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 baby.